Hey guys, so we're out here working in the shop again. I kid you not. I I almost took a header out that door. I tripped on this extension cord. Oh my goodness, that upset me a little bit, but it's just a testament to what I've got to contend with just a mess in here. So what I'm doing here, I'm checking an extension cord. I got 119 volts. I had an issue where my air compressor wouldn't run off this cord the other day when when we were working out front, and I'll show you. We've got. I thought maybe there was something wrong with the cord, but I mean it looks good to me. It's kind of fluttering around a little bit, but it looks pretty good to me. So let's take you guys and set you here. We can put this stuff away because we got other stuff to do. Like I said, I'm gonna adjust it there. There we go. So it's great. I look on the phone and I can see what you guys see, and I don't know. It's probably nothing. It's old technology, but it's pretty cool. That way I could see what you guys are seeing. Oh my! Yeah, I got one drawer for electrical stuff and one drawer for like mechanical stuff, and they're a mess. All right, so like I said, let's see if we can adjust this a little bit. So like I said, I almost took a header out this door, so it just, like I said, it just makes me want to more than ever to get this cleaned up. So problem is trying to find something to do with all this stuff. I mean, where there's a will, there's a way, right? I got like bags like this. I got to get rid of. I got to go through them. Some stuff's garbage, some stuff's not. This is a little stand I made for the power head for the auger. This goes to the vacuum right here. Where's the, where do the other pieces go for the vacuum? I do not see them. They'll turn up. Yeah, they'll turn up. I got them somewhere. I'll just put it right there for now. I need to move that vacuum into the house for Zoila to be able to use it whenever she needs a shop vac. Because sometimes you need a shop vac for stuff, I should throw this old tile saw in the garbage. I bought it real cheap when I did the bathroom, and it's just I don't use it anymore. And it's kind of broken up and missing some parts, and it just gets in the way. So, oh yeah, let's see, he's garbage. Got a crack in it. I'm using a different camera. I'm using the old GoPro 7. So, I apologize that I mean I know the video is good, but what is it? Well, that's weird. Sorry guys, it's can you guys see? It's like looking weird. It's I don't know what it's doing. I'm just gonna roll with it though because I don't know what it's doing. Alright, so we can get the old drill press up here. That guy out of the way. This guy needs a lot of this stuff. Needs to just go in the garbage. Get the old. Heck, it's not old, but Echo. This I use this saw more than anything. Let's do a cold start, even though it's not cold out. It's like 100 degrees in here, but this hasn't been run in a while, so let's see what she does. Ooh. I like that. It's one of the reasons I like this saw so much. Just works so good. Always starts. always just runs great from start to end of cutting. It just runs great. So I think for today, one of my goals is just to get this doorway cleared out, because I kid you guys not, I was hopping on 1 foot out that door. I was damn near went down. You can't have that kind of stuff going on. So I realize I'm just really moving junk from one spot to the other, but I don't know what else to do right now. At least I can make a little bit of room and make it a little safer. Air conditioner. It's almost time to clean that guy up and move it in the house. I pulled the tongue off my splitter so somebody can't just hook up and roll away with it. Highly recommended. If you guys have a splitter, don't leave the tongue on it out there. Especially if you're like me, it's in the same spot all the time. Don't leave the tongue on it. Yeah, hadn't had a place to put the tongue. Set it up on that saw for now. I do have the fan blowing. It's sitting in the shade outside, blowing air in this way, so that's a plus. I get these batteries organized. I'll bring you guys down here. I'll show you a little bit of what we got in the situation down here. So I gotta keep all my chargers right there. That guy's charged. Take this guy out of. I don't know how guys do this one hand. I mean, with these Porter cable things, it's better because they got, here, I'll show you. The tools, can you see that? Right there? The tools have springs on each side, so when you hit the button on the battery, it pops right out. So that's awesome. But some of these tools, like so far the Craftsman and the DeWalt, they don't have the spring. So yeah. Hey, let's start the home light. You guys want to do that? You want to start the home light? This one hasn't run in a while either. This is a 1979 home light, super easy automatic. Nice saw, real nice saw. Let's give it a shot. Oof. It's out of fuel. There's no fuel in it. Yeah, that might help. The amount of compression in this thing, though, is just ridiculous. Oh, you can probably hear it. Nice saw. See those garbage picked up. Oh, what I got messages going on here. Oh, it looks like Annabelle's on the bus now. Is there a better spot? Excuse me. I'll show you guys. Let's start over here, okay? So we've got the one roll around. Okay, sorry about that. Looks like my camera got too hot, so it disabled 4K recording for now. That's a bummer. Anyway, so we got the roll around. It's just a mess right now. The heater needs to go away. Got the router there. This is my workbench. It is also a mess. Another messy roll around. Got this bench that goes all the way to the wall there that's just covered in crap. It's all got to get torn out because I got to do the floor underneath it. Table saw, mess. Compressor. This is the old Campbell Husfield. Works, takes forever to pump up and uses a lot of power, so I use the Cobalt one. Right down there, you guys have seen it on the channel. Got some yard tools over there. This wall is pretty much the most organized in the whole shop. But basically, guys, you see the whiteboard there? That's new. Everything else needs to be replaced. Everything except that white one. All the way around the floor needs to all be replaced. So ultimately all this stuff needs to just go out. Yeah. It's a mess. It's definitely a mess, but anyway, let's well, first of all, let's unplug this cord because I was testing it and I got my 120 volts, so I'm happy with that. What else can we move in here? Excuse me. Where's my... Oh, it's right there. I was gonna say, where's my tractor? The old P3314. And I just have nothing to do with most of this stuff except leave it. Excuse me, wow. That needs to go over there. So I'm going in the garbage. So yeah, I think we're done with that. Well, I mean with this, at least for now. I like that. But why does it? I gotta turn off that auto exposure. I don't, because when you see the, and then you go to that, it brightens up. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, Annabelle's on the bus, so I'm gonna, when she gets in town here, I gotta go pick her up. And it's getting warm in here, and I'm getting a phone call. I'm gonna have to get that. But anyway, guys, thanks a million for watching. This is a short one today. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.